If you want to learn about AI, let's just get right into it. Check. Hey, what's up, chat? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't done already, just like, comment, and subscribe. 99% of beginners don't know AI or the basics. If you want to learn about AI, let's just get right into it. Three basic types of AI: standalone, and what this means is AI that's by itself. It's all you're doing is talking to you. You're just using text and voice, and you're just talking to AI, maybe some images, and you're trying to figure out what can you do with it. You have the second type of AI chat, which is integrated features. So you have a platform such as Google Slides or a Microsoft Word or something like that, and it's AI built inside of it. And the third one is for a custom use, which is specific for a use case. This one is talking about how Johns Hopkins has built a detector with using AI for some type of specific use case. Three types of AI. One, you can use it by yourself. You don't need anything. And then the second one is integrated, which is essentially side of a platform. And the third one, which we're looking at, is for a specific purpose. You're using it for a purpose. Implied language. So essentially what it is when you're talking to AI, you have to be specific. So say if you're building a house and you know the pieces, but essentially what you have to do is you have to build the pieces together. And let me just add two more lines just so it makes more sense. And that's essentially what I did, is like, if you don't have all the pieces, you can go back and have AI fill in what you need to have here. You know, it's like, hey, I don't know all the pieces. Can you help me put it together? And what you're doing is you're taking a bunch of jumbled mess and creating something that you can be proud of. So we went from this to this. So essentially what's going on is when you're talking to an AI, you don't have to give it any information. You can just say, hey, do. And then the second type of prompting is do with. So it's like, hey, I have this information. Can you please add it? And then the third one is essentially, do with, add, plus this information. So that's essentially how you prompt. When you're writing a document, you have one idea, just keep going. Just keep going. Just like, and then essentially what it does, it'll organize all your information for you. And so even if you mess up right here, hey, this is supposed to be a triangle or something. Essentially what you're doing is, hey, start with one thing, then go to another thing. Don't try and have it all together as in 1, 2, 3. No, you really can't understand that. The AI is not going to understand that. So breaking it down in order helps the AI understand. It can be biased, so because the training data isn't really long enough. And this one has a cutoff date. So say that this year is 2025 and the AI the knowledge is cut off at 2023. So essentially you have 2023 and everything under it for knowledge. If you try to access like, hey, what is current news of today? It's not going to do that because it's only allowed for the cutoff date. And hallucinations is essentially the AI making up things. So that's why you have to be that builder of your house and knowing what you want to have built, because you can have all your individual pieces, but if you don't know what it's going to look like at the end, then that's the only way to really combat the AI being confused, is knowing what is your vision for it. Jeff Sue is the channel, and 99% of beginners don't know the basics of AI, and I hope I broke it down or saved you some time. And if you enjoyed it, let me know. All right, see you guys in the next video, and thank you for joining.